choose a different button. There is an arrow here. Choose B, and you can choose C, button C, button D. It's on the back. Button A, B, 3. This button is adjust gas. This button is adjust water flow. This is maximum. It's minimum. This side is maximum. Press the camera button here and keep for a few seconds. It will take 3 pictures for each position and then move to next position. Press again. There will be analysis report here.